Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating geological formations on our planet, volcanic mountains. From their fiery eruptions to their towering peaks, volcanic mountains have captivated humans for centuries. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore these incredible natural wonders together. Volcanic mountains are formed by the eruption of magma from deep within the earth. When magma reaches the surface, it is known as lava, which cools and solidifies over time, creating new landforms. This process can take thousands of years, and as a result, volcanic mountains can reach incredible heights. One of the most iconic volcanic mountains in the world is Mount Fuji in Japan. This majestic peak stands at 3,776 meters and has been a sacred site in Japanese culture for centuries. Climbing Mount Fuji is a popular activity for tourists and locals alike, but it's not for the faint of heart. The hike can take up to 12 hours and requires a high level of physical fitness. Volcanic eruptions can be one of the most spectacular displays of nature's power. When a volcano erupts, it can release ash, rock, and molten lava into the air, which can travel great distances and have a significant impact on the surrounding environment. While volcanic eruptions can be destructive, they also create new landforms and add to the Earth's biodiversity. Volcanic activity can also create some of the most beautiful natural features on our planet, like the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park. This stunning hot spring gets its vibrant colors from thermophilic bacteria that thrive in the hot water. The steam rising from the spring is also a reminder of the volcanic activity that created this incredible landscape. Another fascinating aspect of volcanic mountains is the caves that form as lava flows and cools. Lava tube caves can be found all around the world, and they offer a unique opportunity to explore the underground world created by volcanic activity. Exploring these caves can be an exciting adventure, but it's essential to do so with caution and proper equipment. Finally, we can't talk about volcanic mountains without mentioning the Hawaiian Islands. The Hawaiian Islands were formed by a hotspot in the Earth's mantle that has been creating new land for millions of years. The islands are home to some of the world's most active volcanoes, including Kilauea, which has been erupting continuously since 1983. Well, that's all we have time for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about volcanic mountains and their incredible power and beauty. As always, Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching.